We stepped inside the world of high-end outdoor living at KBIS 2026 with Pleina Group, a Michigan-based company redefining what it means to cook and entertain outdoors.
I think that there is a great love for outdoor space connectivity. People really love to be together in outdoor environments, and for a really long time, people had to compromise on either performance or aesthetic. You could have an incredible grill, but the aesthetic around it wasn't terrific.
From modular kitchens with urban Bonfire to grills with Kalamazoo Outdoor Gourmet, they bring indoor design principles outside, creating spaces that are as functional as they are beautiful. At the heart of Pleina's innovation is its modular design philosophy.
For us, modularity has been about having an engineered solution in a space that's often been, site built. So we've taken this engineered approach to bring a certain level of predictability to a kind of a chaotic environment, and that's given designers a sense of control over a space that has often relied on site improvisation with, leftover materials and things like that. So we hope that this sort of modular approach brings a certain level of predictability and quality and precision to what we're doing in outdoor kitchens.
It's not just about putting a grill outside. It's about crafting an outdoor space that flows seamlessly with the architecture of your home. Every countertop, cabinet, and appliance is thoughtfully engineered for both style and performance.
Our focus is not on, creating these sort of razzle-dazzle kitchens. It's about architecture, and it's about giving designers the tools that they need to kind of honor that architecture and honor the space that they're trying to design for.
Kalamazoo Outdoor Gourmet is the brand behind their signature hybrid fire grill, hand-built in Michigan. It's designed for anyone who loves to cook, whether you're a seasoned pro or a home cook who wants to wow your guests. With precise temperature control and incredible thermal mass, grilling outdoors has never been more reliable or luxurious.
We invented the hybrid fire grill more than 25 years ago, and it's really a game changer for people who are passionate about outdoor cooking, and this is the product we're best known for. It cooks with any combination of charcoal, gas, and wood, and there is every bit of attention to detail that you would expect from a brand like Kalamazoo. It looks like it's made out of a billet of stainless steel because our welders and finishers are so good and spend so much time learning their craft. We hear from our clients they don't go to steakhouses anymore because they prefer to cook them at home. They show off to all of their friends. It's a very versatile piece. We also do culinary training with all of our clients. We have full-time people who are just there on call to answer questions.
But Pleina isn't just about the grill, it's about the full outdoor experience. Urban Bonfire cabinetry brings indoor kitchen aesthetics to patios, rooftops, and terraces, with sleek storage, integrated appliances, and smart design details that make entertaining effortless.
What you're looking at here is Urban Bonfire cabinetry with Kalamazoo's incredible Echo gas grill. But what you should be really looking at is we have done our very best to really bring indoor kitchen design principles to the outdoors through the right materials. So as an example, so many designers today want beautiful integration of paneled product. They don't want to see big stainless steel. This is an example of a beautiful high-performance refrigerator that blends in completely into the cabinetry in the same way as you would see it in an indoor environment.
It looks like an indoor kitchen.
And Urban Bonfire's entire essence has been not to be an outdoor kitchen, but rather to present people with your kitchen outdoors.
Every inch of space is optimized, from retractable faucets to oversized storage drawers, and their slat wall system, perfect for plants, art, or just keeping your tools handy, all while adding a layer of design sophistication that you rarely see outdoors.
Almost every indoor kitchen has a backsplash, but very rarely do you see them outdoors, and they're actually more valuable outdoors because most grills vent from the rear. So we developed a slat wall system that is made out of metal. You can do it in any type of color, so it provides both functionality and aesthetic beauty to the back of a kitchen against the wall, or to be activated in the way you see it here. So vertical wall activation is a very, very under-leveraged aspect of outdoor design.
For Pleina Group, outdoor kitchens aren't a luxury. They're the heart of the home extended. And as these spaces come alive with friends, family, and unforgettable meals, it's clear The outdoors has never been more inviting. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to homeworthy.com for exclusive content, shopping guides, and so much more.